Welcome to Jonas Pro Zambia Education Center. Under the biology desk, we have a quiz 1 under biology. Let's see how many questions are here, and let's go. The first question says, which organelle is considered the powerhouse of the cell? Now, when we say the powerhouse of the cell, we mean it powers the cell with what? With energy. So in short, it is an energy source. Which organelle is that? The mitochondria. So here the answer is B. Okay. What is the process by which green plants use sunlight to synthesize food? Okay, that is photosynthesis. Moving on. Which of the following is not a classification of living organisms? So when you look at classification of living organisms using the nomenclature, it's classified from kingdoms, phylums, classes, genus, and so on. Species, except this friend of ours, lineage. Nah. But kingdom is a classification, phylum is a classification, species is a classification, and genus is also a classification. So, yeah, these are the two answers. Oh, that's the answer. Next. What is the role of DNA in cells? A. Regulate cell processes. B. Provide energy for the cell. C. Contains instructions for making proteins. D. Helps maintain the cell shape. Well, you know that DNA is a strand, okay, made of special proteins called histones. So it contains instructions for making proteins like histones. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Now, non-renewable is a type of resource where it cannot be replenished when finished and so on. Wind energy is renewable, solar is renewable, hydroelectric power is renewable. Fossil fuels are not renewable. Moving on to question 6. What is the study of interactions between organisms and their environment called? So the study of how the organisms and the environment they live in interact together is what we call ecology. Next, which part of a plant is responsible for absorbing water and nutrients from the soil? Of course, we have the leaves, the stem, the roots, and the flowers. The answer is the roots. Next, which process involves the exchange of gases between the blood and the external environment? All right, now, the exchange of gases between the blood itself and the external environment is what we call respiration. Next, which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis in a cell? The organelle which synthesizes proteins is the ribosomes. Okay? What is the basic unit of life? Simple and straightforward. That is a cell. So, we have had this together and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and follow for more.